Assalamu alaikum dear students. Miss Amara from Pakistan School Muscat is here to welcome you all in mathematics class of grade 4. Dear students, today we are learning about addition and subtraction of units of weight. As in our previous lesson, we had learned about the conversion of units, that how we can convert one unit to another unit. And I hope that you all remember that to convert the bigger unit to the smaller unit, we have to multiply, and to convert the smaller unit to the bigger unit, we have to divide. So, the objectives of our today's lesson are, after completing this lesson, we shall be able to describe units of measurement, to add and subtract units of measurement. So, let's start learning by using the examples. So, to add, we have to write the weights in columns to add. And we have to write the units carefully in the answer. Like here is the example. So kilogram, we have to write under kilograms. And grams, we have to write under grams. We have 5 kilogram and 460 grams. And next number is 12 kilogram and 320 grams. As 5 is only ones number, so to add the tens place here, we added 0. After adding, we have to add the grams into grams and kilograms into kilograms. So when we add the grams into grams, we are getting 780 grams. And after adding the kilograms, we are getting 17 kilograms. So, after adding these two numbers, the answer is 17 kilogram and 780 gram. And to subtract the units of weight, like here is the example, we have to subtract 124 kilogram 500 gram from 200 kilogram. So, we have to follow the steps. We have to write the weights in the columns to subtract, and always bigger weight should be written on top to subtract the smaller weight from it. And don't forget to write the units of weight in the answer. Like the first number is 200 kilogram because it's after from, so that number we should write first. Here is no gram, so we can add filler zeros. Now, the second number is 124 kilogram and 500 grams. Now, we have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now, we can't subtract 5 from 0, so we have to borrow from here. And 10 minus 5 is 5. Now, as we borrowed from here, so 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 2 is 7. And from 2, we borrowed 1. So, it's 1 here. That's why 1 minus 1 is 0. And after subtracting, we are getting the answer as 75 kilogram and 500 gram. And if you have the word problem, then do you remember the steps? First of all, we have to read the problem and understand. So here vegetables, vendor weighs tomatoes 12 kg, potatoes 5 kg 250 gram, and cabbage 1 kg 200 grams. And we have to find the total weight of vegetable. Now we have to make a plan, and here by looking at the keyword total, we decided that we have to add. So, as description is very much important, so we have to write the description, and first we are writing about tomatoes. Then we have given about potatoes and we have to write about potatoes. There are no grams in tomatoes, so we put 0. And here also we have the single number, so we put 0 and 250 gram. Then the third vegetable is cabbage, and we have to write in columns like this. And to find out the total weight, we have to add all these. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. And here 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. So after adding all these weights, we are getting the final and total weight as 18 kilograms and 450 grams. If you follow the steps in the word problems, then I know it's very easy for you. Let's take one more example. Your mother had 5 kg sugar. She used 1 kg to 50 gram to make sweets. And we have to find how much sugar is left with her. So now what is the second step, dear students? Yes, to make a plan. So what is our plan? So here is the plan to subtract. So we have to write the description because we are carrying out the plan. So sugar mother had and sugar used. Then we have to find out that how much sugar is left. So to find out the remaining thing, we always subtract. Again, in the same way, we have to write in the columns and then we have to subtract. So as you know that 0 minus 0 is 0, but then we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we have borrowed from there. 10 minus 5 is 5 and here is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And when we borrowed from 5, it is 4 now. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So it means how much sugar is left? Yes, now 3 kilogram and 750 gram sugar is left. So I hope, my dear students, now you can solve the word problems also. Yes, mistakes and challenges are the best time for your brain to learn. Thank you all of you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.